Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Jefferson Elementary School in Wyandotte, Michigan, home of the Jaguars. I'm in the main school entrance area. We just had 2 assemblies today on positivity, being your best self. And this was my second visit to their school. I was here a few years back talking about bullying, looking at someone's heart first, treating someone the same way that you treat your best friend. Today we took it up a level though. We talked about having a positive attitude in every area of our lives, whether it's here at school, back at home, in the classroom, lunchroom, recess, bus, everywhere. We're trying to always maintain a positive mentality and with everybody in our lives, right? Our parents, our teachers, our coaches, our friends, our family, classmates. We really want to be very positive. And so that kind of ties into this mural on the wall, this poster type deal that they have. It says, "Today is a great day to be you, be happy, work hard, think positive." That's the one that really got me. And that's what I kept telling all the students today, is to keep thinking positive. And of course, it's easy to do that when the sun's shining, when things are going great in our lives, when we're having some problems, going through some difficulties, some storms. A lot of times you might find your head down or feeling kind of sad. And that's the motivation for the shirt that I wear for this assembly that says, "Keep your head up." And the words are upside down on purpose, right? Because if you look down or feel down, it's a reminder to always keep your head up, right? To think positive no matter what. And if we can do that, we're starting to go on the right track, right? Like we showed in a couple different inspirational videos, some positive music, some heartfelt stories. I was able to convey the idea that if we can replace the negative thoughts and beliefs in our mind with positive ones, right? That we start creating that new habit, that healthy habit, then all of a sudden, things start improving in our lives, right? Somebody that is constantly building themselves up, the person we're going to talk to the most in our life is ourselves. So hopefully we're telling ourselves something positive, but if we keep that energy up and keep that positivity, eventually, we're going to have better grades, we're going to have more friends, we're going to have a higher self-esteem, higher self-confidence, and the students got that. They really understand the importance of choosing to be our best self, knowing that the opposite of success is not failure, right? If you fail, you're not a failure. If you make a mistake, you're not a mistake. The opposite of success is quitting, giving up, right? And as long as we keep pushing, keep persevering, that's truly all that matters. That true excellence is not having to be the best, be number one, right? It's just doing your best. Doing your best, and that's what all the adults here at Jefferson want for all their students, and just to keep giving that effort, right? And knowing that there's always somewhere where we can just be giving a little bit more. And where do we choose to do that, right? Knowing our self-worth is also very important. So that ties into what I share in all my presentations, the lines on our hand. We have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we all have the letter M, right? It stands for miracle. Upside down W for Wyandotte, no, for worthy. We're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to give it and receive it. We just have to remember that and believe that, buy into that, and then go be that light to others' hearts who maybe have never heard that before, need a reminder, or just are really feeling down. And to know that we can be that positive light for them, that's huge. And the students really took that home today. So thanks for touching my heart again. You guys are beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And you can visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.